In this video, I'll show you how to receive news about X on partner products and other third-party services in X, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is helpful if you want to stay updated with official announcements, partner updates, and related service news directly by email. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open X on your browser and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the main page, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This will open up additional options and settings for your account. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you about activity, updates, and email preferences. After that, click Preferences. Here, you can fine-tune what kind of notifications you want to receive from X. Now select Email Notifications. This is the area where you can control what X sends to your email inbox instead of showing only alerts inside the app. Once you are in Email Notifications, look for the option labeled News about X on partner products and other third-party services. Toggle this setting on. When you turn it on, you will start receiving those news and update emails from X about partner products and third-party services. And that's it, you're all set. You've now enabled news notifications from X through email in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.